This video is for, that's my RC. Having a little problem there with the servo knot, pretty much like everybody else. This is what I did. So, you already have the splitter. So this, I put on on the third one. I took out the third one and I put this in there. Then the third one that was in there, I hooked it up to obviously this one. Then this one, I hooked it up to this wire right here. I'm pretty sure you have it. It goes to the servo knot. Then the red wire is in there, and the fifth one that should be empty for you. And then I got my power supply from here, from these two, red and black. That's your power supply. Then you have your speakers right here. And this right here, this wire right here, let me see. That wire that's coming from under the cab, that's your speaker wire, if you want to use that speaker. And it comes with a, with one of these things, but I cut it off and I used it for this speaker. That sounds way better than the little speaker down there. So, let's see. See if I can show you from here. So let me show you again. So this wire, I put it on the third channel. I took the third channel that was in there, I hooked it up to obviously the other end of this one. And then this one's the one that comes, I think, with the servo knot. And then the red one, I put it in there on the fifth one. That's empty. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit. But yeah, let me know if that helps you out. It's a rat, you know, it's a rat's nest in here, so. So this one. And this other split end. Then hook this up to the third one. That's all I did. Hopefully that helps you out.